Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
做嘛嘅？
让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got music from Zhang Yang, who won a Golden Indie Music Award for Best Folk Song for her Hakka song, Wan Fu. Now, Zhang herself is actually not of Hakka descent, but she learned Hakka after participating in a music workshop in Kaohsiung and began to immerse herself in Hakka culture. Now, the name of the song, Wan Fu, actually refers to giving thanks to the gods after they grant a wish. Let's take a listen. Wan Fu is like fulfilling a vow, and the song explores the dream world of a young girl, interweaving her late mother's love, the customs of her hometown, and folk beliefs. Listeners will take away the love between mother and daughter that transcends the boundary between life and death, using Wan Fu to express the mother's prayers for her young daughter. Let's continue to listen to Wan Fu.完福晚凤又称还福，指的是向神明祈愿，心愿达成后酬神还愿。而江阳的这首歌呢，荣获了2025年金音创作奖最佳民谣歌曲奖。他不是客家人，但在参与美浓的音乐工作坊之后自学客语，并开始在创作中融入客家文化与生活故事。Spreading the Hakka culture through Hakka music. Thank you for listening. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.